My dearest of friends, I'm Jesse with Living Tree Community Foods, and today we're going to be making a very special juice. If you can relate to it, we're going to be making a sweet potato, apple, cucumber juice. If you can handle that. So let's start with a Japanese purple sweet potato filled with nutrients. And here we go. Okay, so let's put the sweet potatoes through the juicer. You wouldn't think about it, you wouldn't think on it, but the sweet potato is filled with juice. Okay, and now we have a magnificent Fuji apple. It's simply gorgeous. Look at the coloring. And and now, an organic cucumber, but of course, vitality, aliveness, raw and organic, but of course, a privilege to present this to you, my brothers and sisters. Imagine starting the day with a juice of this sort. It is simply vibrant and resonant with life forces. Now, let's see if we can make this into a smoothie. So we'll put the juice in our blender and we will add some frozen bananas, for body and for texture. And then how about some chia seeds to bring it all together for thickening, and our alive organic almond butter. How about a heaping tablespoon of organic almond butter. And we'll give it a blend. So, there you have it, brimming with nutrients and vitality. Think of it, think of starting the day with a sweet potato, apple, cucumber, almond butter smoothie. The almond butter, by the way, is made here in Berkeley, one of the great centers of learning and research here. There are more Nobel Prize winners here at the university than at any other. And we make the almond butter from almonds that are grown in Fresno, in the heart of California's great Central Valley. So our privilege to be sharing this with you. Your comments and suggestions are always most welcome. And please hit the subscribe button down below. Let us go forward, my dear friends.